Why does your scanner show the P22AA engine code? What does it mean? P22AA is a diagnostic trouble code for NOx sensor heater, sense circuit, intermittent in bank 1 sensor 2. This engine code indicates an issue with the NOx sensor heater sense circuit, specifically on bank 1, sensor 2. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. NOx sensor issues. Wiring and connection. Control module problems. Other emission system issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is specifically associated with BMW vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.